In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download multiple files from Google Drive. This simple process can save you lots of time and hassle, especially when you need several documents or files at once. Let's dive right in. First, let's get started by opening Google Drive in your web browser. You'll want to go to drive.google.com and log in with your Google account details if you haven't done so already. This brings you to your Google Drive homepage, where you can see all your files and folders neatly organized. Now, to download multiple files, you need to select them first. This is quite easy. Start by holding down the Control key on your keyboard. If you're using a Mac, you'll want to hold down the CMD key instead. With your Control key held down, go ahead and click on each file you wish to download. You'll notice that each file you click becomes highlighted, indicating that it's been selected. Now, if instead of picking several files scattered across your drive, you want to download a range of files lined up together, there's another neat trick. Simply click and drag your mouse over the files you wish to select. As you drag, you'll see a box form around the files, selecting everything within its boundary. This is particularly useful if you've got a lot of files sitting together that you need to download. Once you've got all your desired files highlighted and selected, it's time to download them. This is where things get streamlined. Simply right-click on one of the files you have selected. A context menu will appear, and within this menu, you'll see the option to download. Go ahead and click on it. Google Drive will begin compressing your selected files into a zip archive. This means it's creating a single folder with all your selected files compressed inside, making the download process much cleaner and easier. After a moment, the download should start automatically, and you'll see the zip archive appear in your browser's download bar or folder, depending on your browser settings. You can then go to your computer's Downloads folder to find your zip file. Once you locate the zip archive, you simply need to extract it. Most operating systems let you do this easily by right-clicking on the zip file and selecting Extract All or a similar option. This action will decompress the folder and let you access each file individually, just as they were on Google Drive. And there you have it. You've successfully downloaded multiple files from Google Drive in a few easy steps. Keep this technique in mind next time you need to quickly gather several documents. It's efficient, straightforward, and an excellent way to manage your digital files. Thank you for watching, and happy downloading.